Hey YouTube, JW. Another edition of Retro Knives for you guys today. We'll call this the Outdoors edition. Sitting out in my patio, and I just finished up working on this vintage ONYX OTF. Wasn't in the best condition. I got it cheap, and it wouldn't fire no more. One of the little springs on the inside was gone, so I put a little spring in there. You can see that stainless steel curia. This is another knife that was made by Bell, 1980s. I'll put a picture in of this thing disassembled for you to take a look at. Pretty easy to disassemble this. This is metal here, the rest is all plastic. You take this screw out right here, this whole inside part just comes right out. The button pops off and the whole guts and everything comes out. So it's pretty easy to work on. Still fires okay. There was a pretty good line of these knives that came out. You see them every once in a while. I got this one off of Sharper Deals, and I've been wanting to add one to my collection for a while, and I figured, well, since I can get this one cheap and kind of fix it myself, it'd be a good opportunity. So that's what I did. I was sitting out here on my patio just kind of messing around with it. I figured I'd just show you guys. Not the best example in the world, but it's cool nonetheless. I figured I'd add it to the series. I appreciate you guys watching. Follow me on Google+. Stay tuned. I got some really cool stuff coming up. Thanks, guys.